Hello everyone, I hope you are all well and safe. This is Sinak Yarostami, a graduate student in the Computer Science and Engineering program of the University of Oulu and the research assistant in the Crowd Computing Research Group under Professor Simo Hozio's supervision. Thanks to the chairs of the research demo track, my colleagues and I are honored to have a chance to introduce our recent ongoing research here at the IEEE VR conference. In this research, namely Are Oulu, exploring situated empathy through a communal virtual reality experience, we explore and measure situated empathy. We focus on the hardships of an international community in a foreign country using a virtual reality experience. Our aim is to facilitate a better understanding of an international community's quality of life and unique difficulties in a society. To this end, we designed a VR experiment with three main stages: data collection, a pre-experiment questionnaire, and a post-experiment questionnaire with a concluding interview. We designed a study to collect examples of the hardships experienced by the international community and then showcase the collected data in a realistic VR environment, as you can see. In the first step of the research, we collect any harrowing experiences such as language and cultural barriers of the international community at the University of Oulu in Finland, including international students, staff, and other related persons to higher education during their lives or studies in Oulu. We collected our required data with our design survey through our project's website, VROlo.com. We also put all the necessary information regarding the project there. Then we will recruit local, mostly Finnish participants to learn about the hardships in a VR environment, where avatars are used to convey the exact experiences of the foreign community. Finally, we will conduct a post-experiment questionnaire and a concluding interview with the local participants to gauge if their empathetic response and awareness of hardships encountered by the foreigner community have increased. As you can see, we implemented the University of Oulu's virtual environment in the Unity engine thanks to Dr. Matti's help. The environment is exactly the same as the real environment of the university to let our participants feel that they are at the university during the experiment. Here in this scene, we put two characters as our storytellers in one of this university's environments called Napa. These characters would describe exactly the stories that we collected during the first stage of the study without any modification, exaggeration, or underestimation. During the experiment, as indicated, our participants would be able to freely move around the virtual environment using a VR headset and controllers, or particularly, let us say, Oculus Quest 2, and interact with the characters to find out their stories. We use the Mixamo website to generate our NPCs, characters, and animations properly for the Unity engine as binary fix files. Next, we implement the final experiments environment and then improve it concerning both technical and non-technical aspects. For instance, we will employ different voices for NPCs as and player characters to simulate a conversation, define a storyline to make the experiments similar for all participants, and put non-interactable characters to create a more realistic environment. Finally, we will conduct the experiment at the university with at least 100 participants, hopefully. Thank you for your attention. That's all.